Hey man, this used to be a 1964 Ford pickup. It was rusted out real bad, the cab and all the body. So I decided to just build me something that I thought would be pretty cool. So what we got, I kind of like the T-bucket style, so I wanted it big enough that if I had a fat girl, she could ride in it too. So, you know, but anyway, it all worked out pretty good. We come on around this way and get a shot up front. I kind of wanted that front end to kind of look like a tombstone style front end. So got that look. All right. You know, a rat rod's got to be multiple flavors of vehicles. The carburetor on this thing has got a Chevrolet carburetor, but I just had to wallow the holes out a little bit to make it work. Also, this here is a side glass out of a Volkswagen that I fit in here for my windshield. I thought it looked pretty good like that, so that come out pretty good. And got a Harley Davidson little old mirror there. Boy, that mirror's a good one. It had two of them on there, but I needed one on my Harley, so I put it over on my Harley. All right, so anyway, we got this old motor is just a 223 6-cylinder. It's all original. The motor's been rebuilt by Ellis Piston and Ring out of Shreveport, Bossier. Right after I got it. It's kind of a story about how I got it. A man that went to church with me shot a hole through his roof with his 30-30 getting ready for deer season. And he asked me to come over and patch that roof. I got to looking, that's when I seen the old truck out in the woods. So I asked him would he sell it. He said, yeah, take $200 for it. He said, but since you fixed my roof, I'll just take $100. How about that? I said, that's a good deal. Had title and all. So anyway, I got it titled as a 64 Ford F100, but it's a little different than what really a F100 looks like. But anyway, we kind of just did the dash up, just simple. It's just a rat rod we just cruise around here with, and still got the same. I cut that out of the Ford truck. It's still got the same speedometer in it. Right now, I'm just running with I've done that for years. Had a gas can back there, fixed up with it. Took a couple bucket seats out of a minivan, throwed it in there. It's got real cedar floor. Of course, you can't tell it. It's just the floor. And hey, it's old school. It's just what I like. I went ahead and built me a little bed. I used some some trailer. Thinking
tail lights.
No, it's got trailer tail lights and trailer springs under it. It's got the old 4 9-inch regular. This license plate, not for real. They come off of something else that I had, but we don't go on the highway with it. We just use it around the place. We got about a mile ride around our place here, so we ride around it. But hey, it runs good. A few years ago, I did get it, registered and all, and we showed it at a couple car shows. Of course, they wasn't real big car shows or nothing, and we won first place 2 times and second place 2 times. So, in rat rods, just strictly rat rods. But now people's done started pouring the money into the rat rods, like $20,000-$30,000. So you can't win with something like this. It's just for fun. So hey, hope you enjoyed it, like it, and thank you.